Stash Honest Review. Watch before using. Stash is an investing app designed for beginners and those looking to simplify their investment journey. It combines the ease of micro-investing with personal finance management, making it accessible to anyone wanting to build wealth, even if you're starting with just $5. One of its standout features is the automated investment feature, where Stash helps you regularly invest in pre-selected portfolios based on your risk tolerance and goals. The app also offers a robust set of educational tools, guiding users through complex financial concepts, which is perfect for those new to investing. On top of that, it has a banking feature, offering a debit account that links to your investment account, making it easy to save, spend, and invest all in one place. Stash also offers a stock back feature, where you can earn fractional shares when you use your Stash debit card on everyday purchases, an innovative way to passively build your portfolio over time. However, there are a few drawbacks. The fees can be a bit steep compared to other investing platforms, especially if you're not actively investing large amounts. There's a monthly fee starting at $3, which may not seem like much, but can eat into your returns if you're only investing small amounts. Also, while the app is great for beginners, more advanced investors may find it limited due to a lack of comprehensive tools for in-depth analysis or trading. Stash is best suited for people who are just starting their investment journey, those who want to dip their toes in without feeling overwhelmed, or anyone looking for a hands-off approach to building wealth over time. It's not ideal for day traders or those who want full control over individual stock picks and analysis. In conclusion, Stash is a convenient tool for beginners, but it's important to weigh the fees against your investment goals before committing. If you're looking for a simple, user-friendly way to start investing with guidance, Stash could be a great option. But for more advanced needs, you might want to look elsewhere.